Good morning, students. Today I will show you how to save any image Word या my only WordPad या Notepad file to save in particular folder. I have seen many students has problem for saving. Suppose you have particular folder. Now you want to save inside that folder. Now I will show to you how to save the file in that folder. Okay. Now I am creating one folder where on the desktop. Okay. Now I right click new folder. You know how to make the folder. Suppose this folder name is 6. Okay. And this is the in on the desktop I have created. No, I did not create the folder other drive like local disk D, E, F, C, any folder. I have created the on the desktop. Now inside the folder I will save the options. Clear? Now just see, if you open the folder you will see that inside the folder nothing is there. This folder is empty. Okay. Now I will make one file. Inside that file I will write some things. Okay. Now Word. Now you can see I have opened one folder, one program, that is MS Word. Okay. Now is wait, it is opening. Now blank document it came because I am using 2013. Now this is the MS Word document page, a Word page. I will type here, you will do something here, you will write paragraph, you will write later, yeah, you will write story, yeah, you will write article of magazine, whatever you will write. Okay. After that you will save inside the folder. Suppose I am making one design like that, your greetings card, okay, with the help of Word. I am going to the insert, then Word text box. I am taking the text box. You can take it this one. Okay. So whatever it is there you will write here. If you don't want to take these things, no need. How to delete of this one? Select on the line, you will click on the delete options on the keyboard. Okay. Now once again I am showing to you the word art. Okay, plenty of you have already practice of word art. This thing, if you want to write your school name, if you want to your name you can do it. Now I have shown you how to text effect. You will select, you will go to this one, transform, plenty of options are there. Okay, this is the text effect. If you want to increase the size, the pull it, okay, that this pink color it will make smaller. Okay. Now one more, you want to take the text design. Okay, insert shapes, you will take shapes, plenty of shapes are there. Now these shapes I took. Okay, if you are thinking inside the shape, if you will write your name, now how you will write? Again, once you will go to the text, that is word art, you will select which style you will take. I have shown how to change the water color, everything. Now you will write your name. Suppose your name is Rishi Mandal. Okay. Now I have written on the shapes. Now you are thinking, sir, I will save up this thing. How do you save? File, save as. We'll go to the save as options, then browse. Why save as? Remember, the whenever you will do first time, always you will click on the save as options. Whenever you will save the first time, you will click on the save as options. But if you do the next time, no need to click on the save as option. You will click on save options. This we are doing this the first time, so save as. Now where located that my folder? Desktop. So left side you can see the desktop option here. So you click on the desktop, you can see my file is there. Okay, that's 6 folder open. Inside the folder nothing is there. It has written no item, match your search. Okay, no item. Now file name you will go, you will give your file name, whatever name you want to give. Your name, your friend's name, any nickname, whatever you want to give. But remember, only the one time you can apply that same file name. Second time you cannot apply the file name. Plenty of students I have seen, they have tried. Whenever they will open, they will write only his name, yeah, her name. Second time or third time, always the same name. They will not change their name. But my dear, you will remember, file name, whatever file name you will give, only one time you can apply. Second time you have to give another thing. Okay. Now file name I am giving, this is school. Yeah, class 6. Class 6. Okay. Then after that click on save option. Okay. Now you close. You see the 6 folder is here. If you open, now inside the folder class 6 file came. If you want to open, see what will happen. Whatever you have created, it came. No? So this is the process how to save in the any Word file inside the particular folder. Okay. So my dear, I think you have understood of this one, how to save. You will do practice your home. Whatever you want to do, you will do practice. Once more I am showing to you one thing, another things I am showing to you. Suppose already this page you have opened. You want to add more thing. In down you want to more. Insert, save. Then suppose you took the rectangular box. Okay. Now this style you have taken. Now once again you will write here your address with the help of MS Word Art. What art? Okay, Rampur Hat. I am writing Rampur Hat. Okay. Now this is completed. Already you can see the title bar, our file name is displayed. Now if you want to save, what will do? You will click only the save as icon, save as. Otherwise from the keyboard you can type the Ctrl+S. You can see it is display the save option, Ctrl+S. No need to go to the save as option now, because you have already created your file name. You can see your file name you have given. So no need to go to the save as option. You will click on the save option. Okay. Now click on the save options. Your file has saved. Okay. Click. Now if you want to see open this one. See already whatever you done, the last option, this came. Okay. Now this is the function to how to save and save as option. Okay. I hope you understood. you will do practice your home. Okay, bye.